2025 Topps Series 2 36 card jumbo pack. Let's see what we can find. This will be video 1 of 2, pack 1 of 2. Let's see what we can find in this. Got my scissors just in case, but doesn't look like we're going to need them. All right, Series 2, 2025 Topps. Start out with Alex Bregman. There's Jorge Polanco. Rookie card of Seth Johnson. Javier Assad. From Tijuana, Mexico. Oswaldo Cabrera. Future Stars card of Noel V. Marte. Very cool on that. Alexis Diaz. Edmundo Sosa. Austin Hedges. Nick Castellanos. Rookie card of Gustavo Campero. Pavin Smith. Joey Bart. Rookie card of Jack Neely. Matthew Boyd. Trey Turner. Josh Bell. Kike Hernandez. Okay. Probably misspelling that first, or mispronouncing that first name. Jose Siri. Rookie card of Dustin Harris. Michael Harris II. What is this? What is this? Thought this was just going to be a 1990 Topps themed card. Just a basic card, but then I see this, first I see this silver, and then I see game used memorabilia, and then I recognize this 1990 themed All-Star American League card of Aaron Judge. That is very cool. That's nice. That is awesome. We do not have a serial number on the card. That's the only unfortunate thing. But be curious to see how much this card is worth. Very cool. Let's put that up there. That's awesome. See, I thought we were just going to have one of these cards. Just a regular old 1990 Topps themed retro card. And here is the National League All-Star 1990 Topps themed retro of Corbin Carroll. Here is Stars of the MLB. We've got Freddie Freeman. Rookie card of Jackson Jobe. There's one of those Summer Superstars card of Zach Neto. That's a very cool card. We've gotten one of those before. Base set, we've got Future Stars Zach Gelof. There's Tyler O'Neill. Byron Buxton. Future Stars card of Heston Jerstad. Looks like a Detroit Tigers card. Quartet Won't Forget. That's a cool card. We've got Spencer Strider, Brandon Woodruff, and finally Jose Tena. So that first pack was kind of nice, and it's a little funny because it had this hanger on it, which I think a lot of people would disregard because they thought maybe that something was up with the pack. I saw it there and went ahead and picked it up, and glad I did, because not only did we get this Corbin Carroll 1990s Topps themed All-Star card, but we picked up a game used memorabilia card, unserial numbered, but Aaron Judge. That's cool. All right, y'all, there you have it. Pack 1 of 2, video 1 of 2, 2025 Topps Series 2 36 card jumbo pack. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe.